mateys. How is everybody out there? This is Tammy the Island Warrior. In Reno, it's been snowing. It's been terrible. I've been ready for the spring. Spring's not here yet. It's been snowing and snowing and snowing in Reno. Mateys. How is everybody doing out there? I'm just having fun, and this week I'm just working hard. Also had this nasty head cold. It's been a long week. It's like the shimmy, 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 shimmy eyebrows. I'm blinking at ya. I'm blinking. I'm blinking. This is Tammy the Island Warrior turned into a cat. I'm rocking. Rock and roll cat. Rockin'. Facial expressions are kitty cat. Kitty cat. How is everybody though doing out there? Please leave a comment below and let me know how you're doing. And please be nice to everybody out there. This world needs to be a little bit nicer to each other. Yes, all peoples, please be nice to each other.